So I'm just walking through the night over here. Let's see. To get a flash in here. There we are. Just checking to see everything's going. Look at I'm gonna go check on those puppies. All right. One of the lights came on. At least this lighting going on here. Let's go over here and look at the pups. See how they're doing. Hey there, little ones. Hey. Hey, everybody. Looking nice and healthy and strong. This gate is really blocking the view. Oh, but you guys are looking good. Okay, just came to check on you guys and see how you're doing. See you in there. Mommy's over there. All right, I'll see you guys later on tomorrow. Good night. Okay, we got just walking in the night by myself. Just kind of checking other tents and seeing everything's okay. Just doing a wellness check, walking through. Everybody's fine. Let me go back up to the front. That's Scrappy and her crazy. Oh my gosh, I'm like in quicksand or something. Hi, King and Nuzuri. That's one of the pit bulls and my German Shepherd. All right, everything's fine over there. Everything's fine over here. Okay, we walk through this way. Little path we got going on here. Very nice. Oh, I felt some raindrops. Felt some raindrops going on. Just a little. Oh my. This camera is not picking up too much. But let's see. I'm back up here in the front. I'm staying right now. Oh, those clouds are dark. The moon is covered. You can't even see the moon right now. Hey, Buster. Hey, Buster and Booga. Look at Booga over there. Sassy. Hey, Sassy girl. Boogada, boogada. Oh, Malkia's under there. Some of the other pit bulls. Hey, Malkia. Hey, girl. Hey, girl. I'll let you go tomorrow and get some running around, okay?